Today we're going to replace the... Dude. Shh. Today we're going to replace the front grille of a 2017 Subaru Forester. This one car came like this, so I bought a new grille on eBay, and today we're just going to replace it. It looks like to remove the grille, this is all connected, and we're going to remove these 4 fasteners to start, and then we're going to see from there. So to remove them, we need to use a screwdriver and lift up the center peg, and then we should be able to pull the fastener out. Oh, this one did not break, it just came apart. Still good. And that one came right out. Okay, this is still connected, and in order to figure out where it's still connected, well, I can look at the replacement one. And I can see that I already removed those 4 fasteners. And when I look at the other side, these other tabs tell me that this needs to pull straight out. However, I noticed that there are these posts which look like they can be spots for some screws to go into. And sure enough, when I reach inside where those posts are, I feel the head of a Phillips screw. So I'm going to use a small screwdriver, and just by feel, I'm going to come in here and unscrew those screws. Okay, we removed the 2 screws from the bottom posts, but my son noticed that there were screw holes near the top. So that means there's more screws, one on either side. So I'm going to use a longer Phillips screwdriver to remove those screws. And we also realized we need to remove these posts, because these posts are actually connected to this plastic that goes underneath. To remove it, I'm going to remove the rubber top. You don't need to do this, but I think it'll just show it a little more clearly. This post with this top, there's spots for a screwdriver. I'm going to come in here, comes right up, hold the bottom part down, lift, and the post comes right out. Let's do this side. Comes right out. Now that I think we've got all the fasteners removed, those clips show that this grille is held in this way. So I'm going to pull straight forward evenly. Maybe. Maybe I need to use a screwdriver. Okay. What I did was, I used the screwdriver to push this little tab in, and that's what let it unclip. I might have to do that on the bottom, because there's a clip, 2 on the side and 2 on this side. I'm going to do this one first. get to those bottom clips, I realized I can remove this windshield. So let's quickly do that. Now I should have now I can see the clips down here. So I think this should be a little bit easier. And I'm coming up with the screwdriver on the center of that clip. See if I can push it, and sure enough, it comes right out. I'm going to do the same on this side. And our grill is off. Awesome, we've managed to figure that out. All right, let's put the new one in. Okay, now we're going to put the new grill in. And I think when we put it in, kind of do the reverse of the way we took it out. Meaning, I won't put this air shield in until afterwards because I want room to get those screws on the bottom. It'll be a little bit easier, I think. So again, I think I just need to line this up, clip it in, which is good. I then have these bottom screws, which I'm going to see if I can start by hand. Much easier to see without that shield in place. Put the two top screws in before I put the posts in because it'll just be easier to gain access. After thinking through this a little bit more, I unclipped the top clips. So the bottom clips are still in, those bottom screws are in, and the reason I left this undone is I do need to get that aired in. And this just gives us a bit more room. And finagle this in around the latch. And into place. And once we have it into place, we put these fasteners in. Lift up the center peg, push it through, push the peg down. Okay, so that air dam is in place. I think now we can clip these top clips in, and once we do, put the screws in place, put these posts in, and then our 4 clips, and we should be done. So let's clip in. We'll get these screws in, which might be a little bit of a chore. at it. Do the other side. Feeling in where the hole is and then guiding screwdriver in. Okay, now we'll put these big posts in by lifting up the center again, just like before, through the hole, clip in, through the hole, clip in. Last but not least, these 4 fasteners. New grill is in. Looks great. If I can fix it, so can you.